Hi, to merge duplicate contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S25, first thing you're gonna do is swipe up to open your app drawer, and from here find your Contacts app. After that, you should tap on three dots in the upper right corner and then pick Settings. So here in this list, simply find this option to merge duplicate contacts, and after tapping it, you should see all of your duplicate contacts by phone number, by email, or by name. So as you can see, I got only by phone number, and we can link those contacts with the same phone number and merge them into one entry on your contacts list. If you want to do this, tap right here, so you will see this blue check mark. Make your default contact, either this one or this one, and then tap to merge. And now to duplicate contacts merged. So if we go back, we can find our main contact, which is Marie, and this is how the tab will look now. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.